garden of hearts, we plant our seeds, hoping for blooms, but love often leads to paths tangled deep, where shadows may fall. Not every embrace will answer our call.
Like stars in the night, sunshine from afar, while others are lost. Like whispers a scar, your heart a vast ocean, waves crashing bright. Yet not every tide brings a moonlight to sight.
Love's not a ledger with numbers to count. It's wild and unruly, a mountain to mount. Your laughter may echo, but some ears may stray, and hearts are not mirrors reflecting our way.